De-winterize, what's going on, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking boats and trash cans. We came across a small little trash can that we think is going to work good for our pontoon. Let's take a look. In front of us now is the cabinet hanging trash bin, and again we are going to use it on the pontoon boat, and we are aware that we are going to have to do some modifications to the little bracket or hook that holds it in place or loops it around the cabinet, or in our case an aluminum post. And again, 2.5 gallon. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on several options in regards to trash cans. Here it is out of the box, and again, as I mentioned, we were fully aware that we actually had to do some modifications to the little bracket, and here's what I did. Went to our local hardware store. Down below in the comments and description will be these pieces. And I used a Dremel tool to cut it right there and extend it out. Added some padding, as you see, super glued it. And the back side, little hooks go on the back side of the trash, and it also comes with this, which you peel, and it is a sticky adhesive. However, we want it portable. We want to be able to remove it and move it. You get this option as well as this option. Pretty cool. Comes with bags as well. Here it is with the bracket on, and again, we had to modify it, cut and extend it. That's going to work perfect.